Warning, this video is only for educational purposes. It is not financial advice. The crypto market is highly volatile, and you should always do your own research before investing. Hello guys, welcome back to Guerrilla Finance. Today we're diving deep into the top 5 altcoins to watch in 2025. I'll explain what these projects are, why they're important, and the reasons people believe they could perform well in the future. Stick with me until the end, because the last altcoin on this list might surprise you. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. It powers thousands of dApps, NFTs, and DeFi projects. The move to proof of stake has reduced energy consumption by 99%. With Ethereum 2.0 upgrades, scalability and transaction speed are improving. ETH is often seen as the backbone of Web3, making it a long-term strong player. Salana is known as the fast blockchain, processing thousands of transactions per second with very low fees. It's popular for NFTs, gaming, and DeFi projects. In 2023-2024, Salana had major growth in daily active users and transaction volume. Developers love it because it's cheap and efficient, and it has strong community support. Some analysts call it the Ethereum, but many see it as a complement to ETH. Polygon is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, designed to make transactions cheaper and faster. Big brands like Nike, Disney, and Starbucks have used Polygon for blockchain projects. It's becoming a leader in Web3 adoption because it connects businesses with blockchain technology. With Ethereum growing, Polygon will likely benefit as it solves ETH's scaling problem. Cardano is known for its scientific and research-driven approach. It focuses on sustainability, scalability, and transparency. Cardano's ecosystem is expanding, with projects in DeFi, NFTs, and even real-world use cases like education and identity verification. ADA has a loyal community and is often considered a long-term, steady growth project. While critics say it moves slowly, Cardano's careful development could pay off in the long run. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts with real-world data. Without Chainlink, many blockchain apps can't function because they need reliable data, like prices, weather, or payments. It's already integrated with hundreds of projects across DeFi and beyond. As blockchain adoption grows, Chainlink's role becomes even more important. Link has strong utility and a big future in powering decentralized systems. 2025 could be a massive year for crypto, especially if the market enters another bull cycle. These altcoins, Ethereum, Salana, Polygon, Cardano, and Chainlink, are projects with strong fundamentals, active communities, and real use cases. Remember, crypto is risky. Some coins might explode in value, while others may not perform as expected. Diversification and research are key. So guys, these are 5 altcoins that I believe are worth watching closely in 2025. Which one do you think has the most potential? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Guerrilla Finance, hit the bell, and join me for more updates on the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.